system includes a module entirely dedicated to reporting, and it is divided into several sections that allow you to analyze all the recruiting analytics as well as selections and commercial KPIs. As for the selection part is concerned, it is possible to analyze all the details of each selection process and cross-check data by recruiter, branch, and freely selecting the time frame. In addition, there are even statistics on the activities carried out with the candidates, on the summaries and dossiers shared with the clients, and you can also analyze the hired candidates per recruitment channel. As far as the commercial part is concerned, it is possible to extract all the different data on clients, activities, and opportunities, always having the possibility to cross-check data per time frame, branch, and employer. All data can be exported from the system at any time and in different formats. In addition, together with standard reporting, it is always possible to integrate custom statistics based on your specific needs.